The most widely used method for testing memory or measuring retention is the method of recall. Okay, the most widely used method for testing memory or measuring retention is the method of recall. नामे जो जिनस धर पढ़ीचे ताको रिकॉल करिवा. ओके आमे जेंति कि पढ़ीवा तापर लिखुचे लिखला पर माइंड रे मेमोरी रे स्टोर हे कि रहउची अगेन ताको मने पकेवा. ओके तो से जो जिनस गुडा केते मु मने रखीची केते मु रिटेंशन करिची पाठ पढ़िया भितरे तो से जो मेथड टाको कहजिवो रिकॉल. इट इज द पैसिव बट डायरेक्ट मेथड ऑफ मेजरिंग रिटेंशन रिपीटेशन ऑफ लर्न मटेरियल. Verbatim repetition, for example, one may recall a poem by reciting it even if he doesn't remember the circumstances under which he had learned. ओके जेतरा आमे कोन करे गोटे प्रार्थना को सबुदिन बोले माने बोली कि चलू ऑटोमेटिक से कोन होय ना माइंड रे प्रिंट हेक रही पाठ पढ़ा भी सेंती जदी सेही जिंसटा आमे सबले रिगरसली पढ़ी पढ़ी जीवा सबुदिन तो सी कोन होइबो किछटा दिने एटा माइंड रे प्रिंट हे जीवो. बुझला कि एटा होची आगो कहजिबा रिसाइटिंग बोली कहजिबो है ना. रिकॉल इन्वॉल्व्स वर्बल रिप्रोडक्शन और रिपीटेशन ऑफ प्रीवियस लर्न मटेरियल. Recall becomes easier when material are meaningful. Material is meaningful thibo, interesting, short, over a learn. Recall is often categorized into free recall and serial recall. The recall ta duita way divide hechi gote la free recall out as serial recall. Free recall allow us to summon up the piece of information out of order. For example, we may listen to a lecture and afterward remember a few important code without recalling the order in which they are presented. The teacher जो sequence है पढ़ले तो आमे एबे पढ़ले recall पढ़ेले recognition पढ़ेवा किंतु फास्ट हमर कोन आसीबो ऑर्डर ऑफ जो ऑर्डर रे मो पढ़ाइछे सेटा मने न थाए किंतु तार इंपोर्टेंट पॉइंट गुडा को मोर मन रहि जिवो. ओके recall involves तो free recall रे तार जे serial recall होजी कोन. In serial recall the material is recalled in very specific order that is in which it has been learned. For example, there are people who are asked the question what is the 12 multiplied by 7 may start from the beginning of the multiplication chart table. So 12 into 7 को जीवा पर 12 into 1 12 into 2 पला पर 12 into 7 को आसीबे. Ebbinghaus used to recall a method for studying and remembering forgetting. He was of the view that retention can be tested either by a method of immediate recall or delay recall. Either मते संगे संगे पचार जीवो 12 into 2 तो आमे को कोन करछे मन रखिछे आमे इमीडिएटली कहि परिबा. आउट अथा है delay recall. When recall is made immediately after the learning it is called the immediate recall. Whereas when the recall is made after interval of time it is called the delay recall. It may be noted that the failure to recall doesn't necessarily mean there has been retention. Failure to recall despite retention is known as recall amnesia. Sometimes due to the emotional disturbances like fear, anxiety, sudden shock, one fails to recall. हठात तुना पचरा आइयो से डरी जीवो डरले जहा पढ़ितो मन रहयो कम एग्जाम रे मने पड़नी आ होची कोन ना फियर फैक्टर क्रिएट हुए डरी की मने पड़ना पड़िबा. देखो रिकॉल the method of testing memory or measuring retention is the method of recall. Next point, recall involves verbal reproduction. Recall involves verbal reproduction or repetition of previous learnt material. Previous learnt, L-E-A-R-N-T, learnt material. Next point, it becomes easier when materials are meaningful, interesting, short, and overlearned. Types of recall. Reading the types of recall. Reading the free recall. Free recall allows us to sum up piece of information out of order. In this process, next one, in this process, the piece of learnt material, the piece of learnt material may be recalled freely without following any specific order. Like a serial recall. In the serial recall, the material is recalled. In serial recall, the material is recalled in a very specific order in which it has learned, in which it has been learned. Like a Ebbing house. Next one, according to the Ebbing house, used a method for studying remembering, and forgetting. Next point, he was in view that retention can be tested either by the method of either by the method of immediate recall and delayed recall. Next one. When recall is made immediately, when recall is made immediately after learning is called immediate recall, is called immediate recall, whereas when the recall is made after interval of time is called delayed recall. Next point, failure to recall despite retention is known as is known as recall amnesia. Recall amnesia. AMNEAMNESIA. ଡରରେ ଯଦି ଆମେ କିଛି ନ କହିବା ହେଲା କୌଣସି ଯଦି ମେଣ୍ଟାଲ ଡିଷ୍ଟର୍ବାନ୍ସ ଅଛି ମନେ ନ ପକେଇବା ତ ଏଟା ଗୋଟେ ଡିଜିଜ ବୋଲି କୁହାଯାଉଛି। তারপরে হেডিং দিও রেকগনিশন। केटा है टोटल नंबर ऑफ अल्टरनेटिव गिवन फॉर रिकॉग्निशन माने किसी ओल्ड घटना आ किसी न्यू घटना को देखिबा। तापर एन होची नंबर ऑफ आइटम ओरिजिनली प्रेजेंटेड फॉर लर्निंग। फॉर एग्जांपल द लर्नर रिकॉग्नाइज 4 आउट ऑफ 10 आइटम with 10 alternative then percentage is 36.8%। बुझेला एटा एग्जाम रे गोटे आसपारे बुझियो जे फार्मूलाटा मन रखते हो। Recognition easier than recall because the recognition the object is present in a mixed form। recall टा हमको टोटली मन पकाउ पड़े किंतु recognition होची कोन धर क्वेश्चन गोटे पड़ी तार गोटे फिगर पड़ी हमें recognize करिबा किंतु जदी पूरा ड्रॉ करिया पड़िबो सेटा हमें recall करूची सेटा भूल हेई पारे। Because in the recognition the object is presented in a mixed form of the certain new element, the sensitiveness is greater in the case of recognition, which is sometimes influenced by the subject attitude, prejudice, value and other inner motives। Silman conducted an experiment to the role of motivation in the recognition and observed that the pleasant experience are better remembered than unpleasant experience। जो जगह को जीवा जते प्लीजेंट एक्सपीरियंस थिबो तो सेटा बेसी मन रहइबो अनप्लीजेंट एक्सपीरियंस गुडा मन रहे हैला। अच्छा एबे लिख रिकॉग्निशन का रीलर्निंग तो नहीं